Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So guess what? I'm doing this. My leftover chicken I had from last night. I had baked some chicken, but I'm about to turn this into some soup, something quick because I didn't feel like cooking today. But I'm gonna make this a soup. So I'll show y'all how I do my soup. Oh, let me show y'all my seasoning. I got some. Y'all know I like to use my El Guapo seasonings. They in the bag. So I got some cayenne chili pepper. Cayenne pepper. I got a little cumin I'm gonna add, just a little. And I got some chili pods. I'm gonna break these in half and put them in my soup. I like my soup to be a little spicy. And then we're gonna go with a little cream of mushroom. And I also got a cream of chicken. I got the cream of chicken as well. And then I'm gonna put some carrots in there. A few carrots. I got 2 bouillon cubes. I got my Goya seasoning. And I'm gonna add some celery. I wish I had some onion, but I don't. This is just a throw together soup. So I'll show y'all how I do. I'm gonna add a little garlic in it too. So just a little. And I'll show y'all in just a second. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to break this apart. I decided just to tear it apart. Okay, so I decided to do this way, y'all. So I put all my seasonings in. And I'm gonna cook this on. I left my bones. I took all my meat off the bones. This is my meat. I got all my meat off my bones. I'm leaving the bones because bones got flavor. You know, the marrow and stuff, it got good flavor in it. So I'm gonna leave those in there. And I'm gonna crank this up on high. I'm gonna add some water. All my seasonings down there, my peppers and all that. Garlic. We're just gonna add this and make us a good bone broth. We're gonna make us a good bone broth, y'all. All that. So about 3 big cups of water. I'm gonna add my black pepper like close to the end. I like to add my pepper later, my black pepper. But yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of slap your mama seasoning. We're gonna let them bones boil for about 30 minutes. Good 30 minutes. And a little onion salt. Give it a nice little flavor. A little onion salt. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put, might as well add my 2 bay leaves. Come on, broke my bay leaves. A little piece of one. So we'll add 3 bay leaves. 3 bay leaves. We're gonna let this boil, y'all, come to a rolling boil. And then I'm gonna take my bones out and I'm gonna put my meat in. And I will show y'all that in just a second. We're gonna fire this back up. And I'm going to add my cream mushroom soup. Add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And I'm gonna also add my cream of chicken as well. I'm gonna wash this out and get all that out. So we're gonna add 1 cream of chicken. Boom. Cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. Now I'm gonna get all this out of these cans. Okay, so we're gonna add the rest of that. I cleaned the can out, so. So to this, I need to stir that around, let it blend into my flavors. Let all that melt down, basically. All that cream mushroom. It's gonna be a creamy chicken soup. It's gonna be good though. I'm gonna add one more cup of water. So this will be about, I guess, 8 ounces of water. Another 8-ounce cup. I'm about to add my celery. A little black pepper, just a tap. I just like the taste of black pepper. This may be too spicy for y'all, so you don't want like spicy soup, yeah. Yeah. Don't do yours like mine. Okay, so we got that going. Let that come back to a boil. And I think I'm gonna add a little. Let me taste it. Okay, tastes good. I'm gonna add a little bit of adobo seasoning. Flavors are good though. Just to give it a little more flavor. And a little dash of onion salt. Just a dash. I like my soup season, y'all. I think I'm gonna go 1/2 a cup. So we're gonna go 1 more 1/2 cup of water. Because we want soup. We want soup, not pasta. We want it to be a brothy soup. I want a brothy soup. So. We want soup. So to this, I'm gonna add my carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and add them right now because I want the flavors to cook into the juice. And I'm also gonna add the juice and all. Give us some more broth. So we'll let that go cook. And I'm about to add my celery. So I'm gonna add my celery in. Let my celery, my carrots, all that cook together. So about 30 minutes, then we're gonna add our chicken. And then we're gonna add the rice. I'm gonna add a little tahini because I like the lemony flavor that it gives off. Just a tad. Only because I like that lemony flavor that it gives. So we got our carrots and our celery. We got our creamy mushroom still melting down. We're gonna let that come back to a boil. And we're gonna let all this boil for about a good 30 minutes. And so I will be back in 30 minutes to show y'all when I add the chicken and the rice. All right. Okay. So we got that to a boil and we're gonna add our chicken. Add our chicken in. So, got the chicken in. So we got our chicken in. We're gonna let this cook for a minute or two. Let this cook for a minute or two. If you want to, you can fish your peppers out now if you want to. If you want to, I'll leave mine in. So, yep. So, I'm gonna let this boil for about 20 minutes. Let that chicken get all the seasonings and stuff in there. flavors of the carrots, the onions, well not the onions, the celery, and the garlic, so I can have a good flavor. And I'm gonna just let this continue to cook. I left my little wing, that's for me right there. I left my little end of my wing in there. So we're gonna let this continue to cook for about another 20 minutes, just to get the seasoning and stuff in the meat. Another 20 minutes. And while this is cooking, I'm gonna be washing my rice. So I'm gonna wash my rice off. I'm gonna put 2 cups, maybe 1 cup of rice in here. Yeah, a cup and a half of rice. All right. Back. Alrighty, y'all. So I got a cup and a half of rice, and I'm gonna add that into my soup. Not all of it. It's about a cup. I didn't think I needed that half. So yeah, so cup of rice. Add a cup of rice in there, y'all. And I'm gonna stir this up just a little bit and let it cook for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And it should be done. Soup should be done. I'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all. It is done. It is done. Y'all see that? All of that rice. The celery. Carrots. Lots of meat in there. And I still got my peppers in there, like I told y'all. I was gonna leave those. They're soft now. I eat mine. I left all the fat in there. Got plenty of chicken. Plenty of veggies. And this is my little throw together chicken soup, y'all. Creamy chicken soup. See that cream mushroom made it creamy. So it is done. I'm about to cut it off and eat. That is it, y'all. Let me know if y'all try this with your family. I love you guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.